Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing an all-new product, or at least an enhanced product, revamped, maybe a better word, from Rough Country for the 07 to 21 Tundras. The Tailgate Assist. They were kind enough to send me one, so this will be my review and instructions on how to install. Okay, so this will be the start of the video. Got a nice little package in the mail today from my family over at Rough Country. This is going to be the Rough Country Tailgate Assist, and I know they've got them. I saw them online for like F-250s and stuff, but I'm currently driving a 2016 Toyota Tundra. So they sent this to me. Pretty straightforward. It's going to have this bracket here, which I'm going to try to get you some close-up of where this stuff's going to go. Let's see if we can adjust the camera a little bit up. How's that? Yep. Okay. So basically, I'm going to get over here and show you. This piece is going to go here. I'm not sure yet if it needs to have the first position or the second position. This piece here is going to, and I'll show you this in a minute, it's going to contact down here at the end of, right here actually, on the tailgate hinge. So that's going to go there. And then basically this is going to be like this angle here. So this will extend down. Those two ball joints will connect. So the first thing we have to do is remove this. And let's figure out which size it is. Looks like it's going to be a 40 maybe. Let's try. Yep. Oops. Looks like a 40 to me. Disconnect. Actually, let me not. Let me just take it off. We will reuse this bolt. And you're not going to remove the cable, okay? So just hang on for a second. But this is going to go like so. And again, I'm not sure which location I'm gonna need. So we're just gonna tentatively put this up here. I'm just gonna snug it in place. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down yet, so that we can get the position right. Okay. I did not bring a wrench up here to tighten this down, but first of all, I want to make sure that it's not going to hit anything. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to move some crap off the tailgate here. Set the tool down, and I'm going to hold this in my hand. One more sip of Miller Lite. Okay, so give me the idea here. I've got it in that position. We're going to make sure that's going to work. This one here, so we're going to slowly raise the tailgate, make sure that nothing is going to hit. All right, so we're good there. course, don't have that attached yet, but we're about to do that. So this one's going to attach on this end, and roughly all you have to do there is just push until it clips into place. And sorry, that's terrible. And then same thing down here. And this will just, actually I'm gonna have to adjust, so let me, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a minute to get that. Hold on just a second. Actually, let's do it this way. Maybe y'all can still see that. I'm gonna raise this up a little bit till I get it where I need it. Okay. Let that extend down. Okay. All right, so roughly that is the way she's going to go. And again, that is going to be in position there. Now I'm going to put this on here for the moment. And I'm just going to make sure that we're not going to hit anything as we raise this up. Alright, so we are hitting right there, but I can't tell. I think it's because that's allowing that to move. Alright, so give me just a minute. Let me make sure. Again, make sure that doesn't move. Okay, so that's not going to work there. It's hitting. Okay, so let me figure out what's going on and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. We had to make a couple of adjustments here and we'll see how they work. This being a new product, it did not come with instructions for me. But it's pretty simple. It's not a hard thing to figure out. All right, so let's try this again. It looks to me like this thing's gonna have to be in a pretty vertical position in order for this to work. And that'll get it right there. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so let's install the cable back on there again. I know the camera work is crappy, I'm sorry. All right, so let's try this again. Let's put the cable back on. And let's make sure that it doesn't get in the way. Now, all right, so that gets in the way. So I'm not sure what to do about that unless I run it in underneath it. No, that's going to get in the way of that. Now I don't think you're supposed to remove that cable. I wouldn't remove it because if this ever broke, you wouldn't want that thing to go berserk. So let me figure out what the deal is with it and I'll it's possible that piece could slide a little more forward maybe. I don't know. All right, let me figure this out. Okay, so final segment. So for me, on mine, I had to use the top opening to put this in, and you can see there's not a ton of tension on this cable, which is okay, but there's not a ton of tension on that either. And this one on the right side has a little bit more tension on it. So I'm guessing, I mean, I could probably adjust this a little bit more, maybe. I'm not sure. But anyway, you can use either the first or second. But with the second, what was happening is this piece here was wanting to hit it. So let me show you now. Closing the tailgate. Now, I will tell you, do not just go slamming your tailgate when you first go to test this thing. You want to take it very slowly because you could easily bust it. But here, see? So I'm going to get a good closure on the tailgate. And you let it go and it's going to just flop down. So now the Toyotas already have somewhat of a drop assist where you're not going to, when you release the Toyota tailgate, it's not just going to go flying down. It does come down with somewhat of an assist on it. But I can tell you, this just makes it really nice. Look at that. And I think on the website they're like $30 or something like that. And of course, Rough Country always gives free shipping. So I'm not sure what the part number is going to be on it yet. But I just want to make sure my tailgate is laying flat. All right, so down here, I'll show you, this goes in the first hole, not the second hole, the first hole. And you want to tighten that down. What did I do there? That's not clipping back on. All right, so let me figure out what I got happening here. Oh, my clip came down. All right, so hang on, let me fix that. Okay, so one last time here. All right, so what happened was I had to move this, and when I clipped that off, I knocked that off so it wasn't clipping back into place. But no washer, no nut, nothing like that. Just screws right into the Toyota hole, the factory hole with that replacement. Some of the other ones that you see make you put in a nutsert and all that stuff, doesn't appear that that's the case. But this one, it's all plug and play. This one, you just have to make sure which bolt hole you're going to need so that you get the proper tension on it, and also so that you can close your tailgate. And let me show you this again, just so you can see how easily this works. Let's get these out of the way. Okay, she's tucked in there nice and neat, closed up. Okay, nice and closed. So here we go, dropping it. That way your tailgate doesn't slam down, it doesn't put undue pressure on your cables, and you have premature break from your cable. So fantastic little product. Thank you guys at Rough Country, I appreciate that. I'll put this video together, post it, I'll leave a review, and I recommend this, that you get one. I'll do this one more time for you so you can see how nice and slow that comes down. Look at that, man, perfection. Okay, so as we bring this to a close, let me just say that if I'd had instructions with this, it would have probably taken me about 5 minutes to do this install. Just wanted to make sure that I have everything in the right spot and didn't damage anything. All in all, it's an amazing product. For $30, you can't beat it. And I mean, look at what you get when this thing is done. You get one-hand operation of your tailgate. So when your hands are full, you don't have to worry about dropping it and damaging anything. One-hand operation. Let's just enjoy this together. Watch this. How nice is that? These are the pictures directly from their website. Just go to roughcountry.com and you'll find the tailgate assist there. This is the picture of the finished product on my truck. It's been on there for a couple weeks now, and I have to say that I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll continue to put out good content of instructional videos and reviews of Rough Country products. Thank you very much.